Yes, write down next question on dot product. If magnitude of A plus B equal to magnitude of A minus B. Two vectors are there, A and B. Magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude of A minus B. Then we have to prove that A is perpendicular to B. Please do it. Magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude of A minus B. Prove that A is perpendicular to B. Yes, how to start this question? बोलो बेटा. Let's check here. First, we will write this as magnitude of A plus B equal to magnitude of A minus B. We have squaring both the side will do. When we square both the side, then it will come out to be magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice of A dot B. This formula already I proved last class. This come out to be magnitude A square plus magnitude B square minus twice of A dot B. This part clearly gone. This is 2A dot B. This will also go this side. So it will be coming 4A dot B coming 0. That implies A dot B is coming 0. This implies A is perpendicular to B. Clear? Next question, write down please. Magnitude of A plus B if equal to magnitude A plus magnitude B, then this implies A is parallel to B. This is the question we have. Magnitude of A plus B is magnitude A plus magnitude B. We have to prove that A is parallel to B. Again we start. These are numbers only because they are modulus here. On this formula will be there. So we will write magnitude of A plus B whole square is equal to magnitude A plus magnitude B whole square. Now when you solve it, it will come magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice of A dot B equal to magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice magnitude A magnitude B. This is simply A plus B whole square formula लगेगा. So यहाँ पर A plus B वेक्टर नहीं है, ये दोनों स्केलर क्वांटिटी है. तो इसका मतलब सिंपल होल स्क्वायर जो हम पहले करते थे वो है. और यहाँ A plus B दिख रहा है तो ये फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है. This part clearly cancel out. Then I'll write this as twice A dot B means magnitude A magnitude B cos theta comes out to be twice magnitude A magnitude. Then this part clearly cancel out. I get cos theta come out to be 1. And as cos theta is coming 1, we will say theta is what? 0. And if theta is 0 means they are parallel vectors. What does it mean? This implies A vector is parallel to B. Next question right now, please. if two vectors A and B are such that, if two vectors A and B are such that magnitude A is come out to be 3, magnitude B comes out to be 2, A dot B is 6. Question is, find what is magnitude of A plus B. Find out what is magnitude of A plus B. How to start? Square will take first. Formula is with us. Magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice of A dot B. This we have to calculate. A square हो गया आपका 9, B square हो गया आपका 4, 2 into 6 हो गया 12, 12 plus 13, that is 25 is your modulus of A plus B whole square. Or I should say magnitude of A plus B comes out to be 5. Don't write plus minus because the modulus one never come out to be negative. Next question please. Two vectors A and B, then prove that magnitude of vector A B vector plus magnitude of B vector into A vector is orthogonal. Orthogonal means perpendicular. Is orthogonal to the vector magnitude of A vector B minus magnitude of B A. We have to show that these two vectors are perpendicular to each other, or they are orthogonal to each other. What is the meaning of orthogonal? How we are going to prove it? If these two vectors are orthogonal or perpendicular, what should be the condition we should have? Yes, please.
Sir, in
Vector,
internal zero.
the vector A and B should be 0, equals to 0.
Which is A? This is one vector, this is second vector. I am saying they are perpendicular. They are perpendicular. तो अगर हमने इसको अल्फा वेक्टर लिया हुआ है, इसको बीटा वेक्टर लिया हुआ है, तो I should find out what is alpha dot beta. ये आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे. और अगर ये क्वांटिटी 0 आ जाती है, that means we will say yes, alpha and beta are perpendicular. Okay, so what we do in this case, it will be magnitude of A B vector plus magnitude of B A vector. Then comes out to be dot. Magnitude A B vector minus magnitude B A vector. Now you know how to solve it. याद है? If you have A vector plus B vector dot A vector minus B vector, if you remember, the formula was magnitude A square minus magnitude B square. अगर याद हो तो ये रिजल्ट आया था, प्रूफ किया है हमने. और नहीं आता है तो आप डायरेक्ट करो, मैं डायरेक्ट भी बता देता हूँ. This will multiply with this. इसमें ये स्केलर है, ये स्केलर है, तो ये तो हो गया magnitude of A square. और B dot B आ जाए minus this and this, magnitude A magnitude B and this is B dot A. फिर आएगा ये दोनों magnitude b magnitude a dot b, and last will come this and this, so it will come minus magnitude of b magnitude of b a dot a. B dot b is magnitude b square, we have already done this. We will have magnitude a square magnitude b square. This will come out to be magnitude a b b dot a, and this is b a dot b. A dot b is same as b dot a. ये पूरी टर्म पूरी कट गई. Then this has come out to be minus magnitude of b square, and a dot a is a square. So I got it a square b square minus b square a square, so result is coming 0. So what it is, alpha dot beta is coming 0. That means what I should say, this vector and this vector, alpha is perpendicular to beta. Henceforth. Next question, please. Is there any doubt? Next question, please. If a plus b plus c is 0, if vector a plus b plus c is 0, magnitude a is given 3, magnitude b is given as 5, magnitude c is given 7. Find angle between A and B. Find angle between A vector and B vector. Find angle between vector A and B. Question is, find angle between A and B. If you want the angle between A and B, means A and B should be one side and C को दूसरी side shift करो. क्योंकि आपका फॉर्मूला जो होता है एंगल का होता है cos theta is A dot B by magnitude A magnitude B. इसमें C नहीं आना चाहिए. What I do here in this case, A plus B is minus of C. If you want the angle between B and C, तो B और C को यहाँ रखोगे, बाकी शिफ्ट करो. Now squaring both the side. This formula already we have done. What that will come out to be magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice of A dot B. And this has come out to be magnitude C square. Clear? ये आपका सीधा सीधा रिजल्ट 9 हो गया. 3 square. This will be 25. This will be twice. We will write this as magnitude A magnitude B cos theta. And this is 49. Is it right? Solve it further. Twice. Magnitude A is 3, magnitude B is 5. So it will be 3 into 5. And then cos theta equal to 49 minus 25 plus 9, 34. Then what this will come? 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. So cos theta. Numerator 15 आ रहा है, ये 30 आ गया. So I got it. Theta comes out to be cos theta is simply half, or or theta comes out to be pi by 2. That's the answer. Clear? So if they ask this condition given, an angle between A and B to be calculated, take AB one side, C other side, square it and solve it. Next question, please. If A cap and B cap are two unit vectors, if A cap and B cap are two unit vectors, A cap and B cap are two unit vectors inclined at an angle theta. Inclined at an angle theta. A cap is the first vector, B cap is second vector, inclined at an angle theta. Then prove that sine theta by 2 equal to half modulus of A cap minus B cap. This is the magnitude. This we have to prove. इसी तरह से एक और रिजल्ट प्रूव करना है, that is cos theta by 2 will be half A cap plus of B cap. This is the question we have. So when you have to prove this question, you should start from this factor because this formula is known with us. A cap minus B cap square will take. When you take square of it, it will come magnitude of A cap square plus magnitude of B cap square minus twice A cap dot B cap. Can write this way. A cap is a unit vector. So ये 1 हो गया. 1 का square, that is 1 because it's a unit vector given in the question. This is another unit vector 1. This will come out to be twice magnitude of A cap, magnitude of B cap, cos of theta. Theta is the angle between them. This is again 1 now, this is 1 and this is 2. So what result will come? 2 minus 2 cos theta. Or I should say this as A cap minus B cap whole square will be 2 common 1 minus cos theta. Is it right? And what is 1 minus cos theta? Yes, is this part clear? Then we write this as magnitude of A cap minus B cap square will be 2 into. This will come out to be 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay? And after this, what we do here, we will take under root on both sides. So when you take under root on both sides, it will come A cap minus B cap is equal to, this will come 2 and this is sine theta by 2. और ये 2 अब आपका नीचे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, तो हाफ ऑफ A cap minus B cap is sine theta by 2. Hence proved. When they say this result to be proved, what is the change we will make in this question? Yes, बोलो भाई.
सर माइनस की जगह प्लस आ जाएगा.
Yes, माइनस की जगह यहाँ प्लस ले लो, ये प्लस ले लो, ये प्लस हो गया, ये प्लस हो गया. और जब ये प्लस हो जाएगा तो यहाँ पर 2 1 प्लस cos थीटा आएगा, यहाँ भी प्लस आएगा. और यहाँ प्लस आने के बाद इसको प्लस करना है और ये आपका 2 cos square theta by 2. And then when you proceed, it will be plus here, then it will come cos theta by 2. And this is cos theta by 2. Yes. Same way you have the question. Only the formula is 1 plus cos theta will be in this case. Previous one, 1 minus cos theta. इसी में अगर tan थीटा बाई 2 पूछ ले तो ये दोनों कैलकुलेट करके आप tan थीटा बाई 2 भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. व्हाट tan थीटा बाई 2 विल कम दिस बाई दिस. So it will come magnitude of A cap minus B cap by magnitude of A cap plus of B cap. This is the formula of tan theta by 2. Yes, please. Next question. For any two vectors A and B, for any two vectors A and B, prove that magnitude of A plus B is always less than magnitude A plus magnitude B. ये आपको प्रूव करना है where A and B are two vectors we have. This is called triangular inequality. This is also called as triangular inequality. ट्राइंगुलर इनइक्वालिटी क्या कहती है कि ट्राइंगल की दो साइड्स का सम हमेशा थर्ड साइड से ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. ये एक साइड की लेंथ है, ये दूसरी साइड की, और a प्लस बी थर्ड साइड देता है. अगर आपको ट्राइंगल फॉर्मूला याद है तो ये थर्ड साइड है. थर्ड साइड ऑलवेज कम आउट टू बी लेस देन द सम ऑफ द टू. यू हैव टू प्रूव दिस. Just check how to start this question. Again, we will start with A plus B whole square. This formula already we have done. This is magnitude A square, magnitude B square, twice of A dot B. Or I should say it will be magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice magnitude A magnitude B cos. This is come out to be magnitude of A plus B whole square. Right or no? Now we come on. These are equal cases, but we have to create inequation. So create inequation. What we do now? For any theta. What do you know? Cos theta always comes less than or equal to 1. कभी भी cos theta 1 से बड़ा नहीं होता है. We know it. For any theta, whatever angle you take, cos theta always come out to be less than or equal to 1. Then I can say if this is holding, that means magnitude A, magnitude B, cos theta is always less than magnitude A, magnitude. Is this clear? क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव नंबर है, so I can multiply it. I can multiply 2 also on both sides, so I'll say 2 magnitude A magnitude B cos theta is always less than twice magnitude A magnitude. This is the condition we are getting. Now check please. What does it says? It says that 2ab cos theta is always smaller than this quantity. This quantity 2ab cos theta is always smaller or equal to this quantity. So if I go with this side, so magnitude of a plus b whole square is equal to, यहाँ आ रहा है magnitude a square, यहाँ magnitude b square. अगर मैं 2ab cos theta की जगह ये क्वांटिटी प्लेस करूं तो मैंने क्या किया? हाँ जी, इज इट व्हाट टू बी डन? या फिर आप एक काम करो, दूसरा तरीका लो, उससे मेरे को समझाना आसान हो जाएगा. इज दिस क्लियर? We got this condition twice magnitude A magnitude B cos theta is always less than twice magnitude A, magnitude B. Now I do one thing, magnitude of A square plus magnitude B square plus twice A magnitude B magnitude cos theta is always less than magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus twice magnitude A magnitude B. Nothing wrong in it. आपने पॉजिटिव नंबर दोनों साइड ऐड कर दी। ये रिजल्ट आपका किसके इक्वल था? इसकी जगह हम क्या प्लेस कर सकते हैं? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A प्लस B होल स्क्वायर, राइट और नो? और यहां क्या लिखा जा सकता है? दिस कैन बी रिटन एज मैग्नीट्यूड A प्लस मैग्नीट्यूड B का होल स्क्वायर। Is it right? And if you get this, square can be removed because of positive quantity. ये भी पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, अंडर रूट दोनों साइड ले लें तो कंडीशन होल्ड है। Hence proof. Next question, write down please. Same kind of question. Is there any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now write down next. For any two vector A and B. For any two vector A and B, prove that A dot B whole square is always less than or equal to magnitude A square, magnitude B square. Please do it. A dot B whole square is always less than or equal to magnitude A square, magnitude B square. You have to prove. I think you can do it. Yes, can do it. For any theta, we have already done cos theta is always less than or equal to 1. Right or no? If this is there, then we should say magnitude A, magnitude B cos theta is also less than magnitude A, magnitude B. Yes or no? This is what? A dot B, and this is coming magnitude A, magnitude B. And if this quantity is less and they are positive numbers, so what this will come? ये तो पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा, ये कभी नेगेटिव भी हो जाए तो ये ऑलरेडी स्मॉलर केस है, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So what I get here in this case, A dot B whole square is always less than magnitude A, magnitude B. Okay. In the same question, one more thing they want to prove. Hence, show. Also, what they are asking, show that A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 whole square is always less than A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square, and then into B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. You have to prove that. Also, you have to prove this condition. This condition already you have proved. Now you should prove this condition. Yes, please. How to do this question? After getting I want that condition to be done. अगर ध्यान दो तो ये A के कंपोनेंट है A1, A2, A3. B के कंपोनेंट दिए उसने B1, B2, B3. Means what we do here, let A vector is A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. And B vector I take as B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Then A dot B whole square less than or equal to magnitude A square magnitude B square implies. What this implies? A dot B, ये रहा A और ये रहा B. A dot B करेंगे तो आएगा A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 whole square less than or equal to magnitude of A, ये रहा. What it will come? Magnitude of A square है हमारे पास. So magnitude of A square करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? वैसे आता है under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. I am taking square of it. And here it will come B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Hence proved. So you can prove this also, that is in the component form they are asking. Next question, please. If A and B are two vectors such that magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude A, then question is prove that 2A plus B vector is perpendicular to B. You have to prove this. Prove that 2A plus B vector is perpendicular to B vector. ये भी आपका बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन है, आना चाहिए. Yes, please. बोलो कैसे करें? Anyone? How to start? Square here, square here. Now solve it. Magnitude of A square plus magnitude B square plus twice of A dot B. Is it come out to be magnitude A square? Yes. This part clearly cancel out. Magnitude of B square, I can write B dot B plus twice of A dot B coming 0. Nothing wrong in it. हाँ जी, clear है नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बोलो. ये दोनों परपेंडिकुलर शो करने हैं, इसका मतलब इन दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 होना चाहिए. क्या ये है? इसको आप B प्लस 2A डॉट B लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी यही हुआ करती थी. B डॉट B प्लस 2A कमिंग 0. ये लिखोगे इसको, सॉल्व करके देख लो. B डॉट B प्लस ट्वाइस A डॉट B. So अगर ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 आ रहा है, what does it mean? This implies 2A plus B is perpendicular to B. Hence proved. Now write down next question, please. Find the components of a unit vector. Find the components of a unit vector which is perpendicular to vector I plus 2j minus k and 3i minus j plus twice of k. I want the component of this vectors. I want a vector, component of a vector which is perpendicular to these two vectors. You have one vector whose component you should calculate, one unit vector which is whose component we should calculate, which is perpendicular to this vector also, this vector also. A vector is there which is perpendicular to this also, this also. We have to find out component of it. Let that vector be xi plus yj plus zk. This is a new vector we want. Let this vector is C. This is vector A we are taking, this is vector B we are taking. So we have three vectors A, B and C. A vector and B vector are the vector given. C is a vector which is a unit vector. It is given in the question. We